Okay.
Who else is bored?
So, I know everybody tries to make,
You know what?
shampoo and salt slime, and it always sometimes turns out as a good or a fail. So I will be trying to make shampoo and pickle salt slime.
Pickle salt?
Yeah. So yeah, I have Dove shampoo, toothpick. Close the door. Sorry, I can't see. So yeah, here is the. Yeah, I don't want to like get on y'all's way. So.
Hey, we have glue? No. We don't have
borax. I know, that's what I said.
You know we can do it without glue, right?
We'll get it next weekend. We'll get it next weekend.
Well, the glue that we made from the slime that we did earlier was like 99 cents.
I don't want to go soon. We have to take all them home in a little bit.
Please, because we're bored.
I'll try to search up some how to make slime without glue.
Well, that's not going to work. We already threw that.
Yeah, maybe try.
And she's trying that right now.
Wait, look it up. I have flour. I have the borax.
Wait, do you have balloons?
No.
Oh my god. Why can't we go to the dollar store and get some balloons and we can get flour? Do you have flour?
I have flour here at the house already.
We need balloons and we can make stress
Just mix it.
What balls?
Stress balls.
Why do we need stress balls? We don't get stressed.
I do.
You do. And you're the only one who gets stressed.
Just mix. So this is not turning out like I expected, but
How to make slime without glue?
It fails.
so here it is so far. Sorry, I'm trying to like point the light at it. Oh shoot, it's fixing to drip.
Hey, Dylan.
So yeah, I
It
guess
says 5 ways.
yeah. So hope y'all enjoyed. I will maybe do an update on this if it works. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and give me any video ideas.
Follow me.
And go subscribe to Pie of Solo Mid. I will leave her link in the description. So yeah, love y'all. Peace.